Okay, Scott, now we're on my desktop and I'm going to go down to the folder of images which I wish to, where the image I wish to write text on is. Now I select my image, which is this one here, and with the cursor on the image I click right and go down to edit. Okay, so here's the image on the screen, and in order to put text on it I go up here where you can see the text box, insert text up there. I click on that and then click back on the image and you'll see that this box appears, and I'm going to stretch it left and then right to the edges of the image, and then I'm going to pull the box all the way down so that I can allow for plenty of text. So you can see the size of the box there. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to, well, first and foremost I'll go over to a Word document I've created. There it is there, and I'm going to highlight that text that I've written to put on top of the image, and I right click copy. I'll do that again so you can see it clearly. Right click copy. Okay, I get rid of that Word document and go back here, and then I right click and paste. So all those words that were on the Word document are now on top of the image. So again I'll highlight those words, and now I will select a font. And in this case I'm going to just randomly select a font called Royal Quiet Deluxe. It's a typewriter font. And then I'm going to select a font size. So I'm going to go for 24 points, so it's nice and clear and large on the image, 24 points. Then I'm going to go for bold, and I might even, just to stress the point, underline it, and I can also, italicize it and then also underline it. I don't need to do those things, of course. I can take all of that off, take the underlining off, take the italics off, and back to Roman. Now one thing I've got to make sure is that I'm in transparent. I don't want opaque, I want transparent, so the words sit directly on top of the image. And finally I'm going to select a color for that font, and because it's a dark background, the image, I'm going to use a white type on that dark background, so I'm going to click on white. Now once I've done all that, I'll take the cursor away from the box and click, and there it is. There is all the text on top of the screen, and of course you can change it again. You can just, if you wanted to, you weren't happy with the text, all you have to do is press Control Z and the whole thing disappears. So I'll go through the process just quickly again. You have your insert text there, create the box for the text there, bring that down, go back up here, right click, paste. They're the words that come up again from directly off the Word document. Highlight that, select a font. Let's go for Script MT Bold this time, just for something different. The type size, let's go back to 24, or we'll even go larger. We'll go to 48 point. Select the color here, take the cursor off the box onto the edge of the image, and there you have it. It's all done. Okay, I think that should be sufficient, but if you have any problems, don't hesitate to let me know.